Temu, a name that has become synonymous with corporate greed and ruthless business practices, has rapidly ascended to power and taken over the USA. But how did this company become so influential? And why is it considered the most evil? This is the story of Temu, the most evil company that took over the USA. Welcome to Luxe. Temu's rise to power began in the early 2000s, founded by a group of ambitious entrepreneurs with a vision to dominate the tech industry. The company started small, focusing on software development and digital solutions. However, their aggressive expansion strategies and cutthroat business tactics soon set them apart from their competitors. By acquiring smaller companies and consolidating their market position, Temu quickly became a major player in the tech world. One of the key factors behind Temu's success was its willingness to engage in unethical practices to achieve its goals. From the outset, the company was known for its ruthless approach to competition. Temu was notorious for using predatory pricing, patent trolling, and hostile takeovers to eliminate rivals and monopolize markets. These strategies allowed them to grow rapidly, but they also earned the company a reputation for being unscrupulous and malevolent. Temu's impact on the job market has been devastating. The company's relentless pursuit of profit has led to widespread job cuts and outsourcing. By automating processes and relocating operations to countries with cheaper labor, Temu has significantly reduced its workforce in the USA. This has resulted in thousands of American workers losing their jobs and entire communities suffering economic decline. Temu's disregard for employee welfare has cemented its image as a heartless corporate giant. The company's influence extends beyond the tech industry. Temu has diversified its portfolio by investing in various sectors, including real estate, finance, and media. Through strategic acquisitions and investments, Temu has built an extensive network of subsidiaries and affiliates, allowing it to control a significant portion of the American economy. This diversification has made Temu an omnipresent force, with its tentacles reaching into almost every aspect of daily life. Temu's dominance is further reinforced by its political connections. The company has invested heavily in lobbying efforts, using its vast resources to influence legislation and regulatory frameworks in its favor. By cultivating relationships with key political figures and donating to election campaigns, Temu has secured favorable policies that protect and enhance its interests. This political clout has allowed the company to operate with impunity, evading scrutiny and accountability. One of the most insidious aspects of Temu's operations is its exploitation of consumer data. The company has amassed a vast trove of personal information through its various digital platforms and services. This data is used not only to target consumers with precision marketing, but also to manipulate public opinion and behavior. Temu's sophisticated algorithms and data analytics tools allow it to shape the narrative and exert control over the information landscape, raising serious concerns about privacy and autonomy. Temu's environmental record is equally troubling. In its quest for profit, the company has shown little regard for environmental sustainability. Temu's manufacturing processes and supply chain operations have been linked to significant pollution and environmental degradation. Despite public outcry and regulatory pressure, the company has consistently prioritized short-term gains over long-term environmental stewardship, contributing to the global climate crisis. Despite its malevolent practices, Temu has managed to maintain a positive public image through savvy marketing and public relations efforts. The company invests heavily in branding and corporate social responsibility initiatives, portraying itself as a benevolent and innovative force. By sponsoring high-profile events, funding charitable projects, and leveraging its media assets, Temu has successfully crafted a facade of goodwill and social responsibility, masking its darker actions. The scale of Temu's influence and the breadth of its operations make it a formidable adversary. Efforts to regulate or rein in the company have been met with fierce resistance and legal challenges. Temu's vast resources and deep pockets allow it to outmaneuver regulators and critics, perpetuating its dominance and expanding its reach. The company's ability to operate above the law and manipulate systems to its advantage is a testament to its sinister prowess. However, there is growing awareness and resistance against Temu's malevolent influence. Grassroots movements, consumer advocacy groups, and ethical businesses are rallying against the company's practices. Public awareness campaigns and calls for stricter regulations are gaining momentum as people begin to recognize the true cost of Temu's dominance. The fight against Temu represents a broader struggle for fairness, accountability, and justice in the face of corporate tyranny. In conclusion, Temu's rise to power is a story of ambition, ruthlessness, and unparalleled influence. Through unethical practices, political manipulation, and exploitation of resources, Temu has established itself as the most evil company that took over the USA. While its dominance poses significant challenges, the growing resistance and demand for accountability offer hope for a more equitable future. The battle against Temu is a reminder of the importance of vigilance, integrity, and collective action in the face of corporate malfeasance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to Luxe and check out some of our other videos.